Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February 28th, 2025 and we're going to start planting our eggplants here. So we have the pink tongue eggplant. That one's my favorite. I like the Rosa Bianca. We're going to be trying these other two here again. So we're using soil blocking here, and this is the first time that we've ever used soil blocking. I do have a video on my channel for how to do soil blocks. You can check that out on there. So you can see here what eggplant seeds look like. And eggplants, like peppers, need it hot to germinate. So we're just going to be putting these all in a tray here. And these are going to get a light covering of seed starting mix. And then they'll get moistened and taken out to the greenhouse. So this one here I'm going to hold off on planting. I want to check my notes from when I had grew these before. I went with the, I believe it's pronounced Matoyo. I went with two of those instead until I check my notes. But eggplant seeds are planted in here, and we're going to get them covered then with a light covering of soil. So we're getting the eggplant seeds covered here. And these are going to go out to the greenhouse. They're going to get a gentle mist of water over them, and then they're going to get covered and put on the heated floor. The heated floor is our germination mat.
Okay, after we have them wetted down, we bring them into the greenhouse. It's a heated floor. This half is, back half is not. Just the way it was when we first built this. We only had half of it, and we added on, so that didn't get the pipe in it. So, but this floor is heated. It's about 80 some degrees. So, as you can see, we have each one of them covered. But they can get air in them, so they get some fresh air. But that's really all it is to it right now, and wait for them to come up.
Okay, so today is March the 10th, 2025. I have eggplant, another eggplant, more peppers. So, a few things I would change with this. We'd probably do like one variety in a smaller tray. And then we could take them out because we have some in here that have not come up yet, quite a bit of them. I'm sure that they're still germinating down underneath. We are going to have to move this up to the top off of the heated floor because we don't want these to get tall and spindly. So there should be enough heat coming in the greenhouse for these to continue to germinate. If we have to, I'm thinking maybe we could take some of these out somehow that are up and kind of go from there, or maybe we can't really cover the spots where they didn't all come up at yet because they're kind of spotty and irregular where they did germinate at. But I just wanted to give you this quick video update here. Like I said, this is the first year that we've been using soil blocks, so we're learning as we're going here. And this was, I think, like the second tray that we did. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. It'll tell you to put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.